Hi, this is another app of a algorithm complexity analyzer, and this is the code of the app. I will also provide the code of the app on the GitHub. Okay, now I will run the app. This is a persist algorithm, custom algorithm name and complexity, and this add persist. It. This is a graph has been present growth chart present, and now I will explain with the help of blog. In computer science, understanding how algorithms behave as the input size increases is one of the most important concepts. This idea is known as algorithm complexity analysis, often expressed using big O notation such as O1, O log n, O(n) or O(n) square. This makes the concept easier to understand whether it was a Python test to apply the algorithm complexity analysis to allow user to compare how different algorithms grow as the input size increases. Why algorithm complexity matter? When developers design algorithms, they must consider how the algorithm perform when data become larger. For example, some algorithms are almost instantly even for large data. Some become slow as data increase. Others grow extremely fast and become impractical. Bigger notation has described this growth mathematically. Common example include one constant time very efficient, although and logarithm time one linear time one efficient for shorting algorithm one square quadratic time one cubic time one the o to the power and exponential growth. Algorithm capacity and key feature of application: binary search, linear search, merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, flow, first sort, tower of any hash table lookup. Custom algorithm support. Custom algorithm A over n square, custom algorithm B over log n. Factual input size, growth chart, detailed output report, code result, assignment, teaching material, documentation, technology use, Python, think and math module, canvas visualization, education use cases, computer science education, teacher and demonstrate how algorithm capacity grow. Algorithm learning, student can visualize understanding big rotation, coding bootcamp, useful for explaining algorithm performance, testing learning. Beginner can experiment with different complexities. Why within help learning? When students see a graph comparing O log and O(n), 1 square, 1 the power 2, they immediately understand why algorithm choice matter. Final thoughts. Algorithm class are fundamental in programming and computer science. By combining mathematical research and interactive input, the algorithm help making this concept easier to explore and understand. This tool like this demonstrate how simple Python application can be powerful education sources. If you want to make such a like of apps, I will make for you. Contact me if you want to make such like of apps. Thank you so much for watching video. I will also provide the blogger and github code link in the description box.